Hello and welcome to Under 5-Minute Tutorials. Today I will show you how to knit a horizontal braid. In my first attempts, braid came out a bit skewed because I didn't add an increase. So let's make sure we do it the right way. To start, you will need to create a left-leaning increase. I like to make an increase by pulling up the stitch from the row below, placing it on the working needle and knitting it through the back loop. Now, the key is to switch the position of the new increase stitch and the next stitch. There are two ways to do this. The first method is to put your knitting needle through the back loop of the second stitch, keeping both stitches on the needle, and then knit the increase stitch through the front loop, and now you can release the stitches. The second option is to switch the stitches first, just like you would do when doing a cable. After switching, knit them. This method is a bit more convenient and helps you get nicer stitches. This method also helps with tension, which we will discuss next. Remember, as you continue the braid, move this increase stitch one stitch forward with every repetition. Just continue this process until you have the last 3 stitches in the row. Knit 2 stitches together through the back loops and finish off with the edge stitch. As you knit, you may notice that the row right above the braid can look a bit stretched out. To prevent this, you need to pay close attention to your tension while knitting the braid. I found that the second method, switching the stitches first and then knitting them, results in neater, less stretched row. This is because it allows you to keep stitches tight and close to the tips of the needle. And there you have it, a beautiful horizontal braid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.